Welcome to the next phase of our program. Right now, we're going to continue and we're going to do demonstrations on the stitch work that is labeled in the diagrams itself. So we're going to be covering a whack of stuff, and each one of the tutorials ahead is just an easy step to follow. So without further ado, let's start. We're going to use letter C as an example for the first one here. And so you can see that it says start here and then go across. So it has a parenthesis number 1. So if you look at number 1 here, it says chain 16. So let's just demonstrate on how to do your starting chain. So it's stated in there to chain 16. So all you're just going to do is do exactly that. So whatever letter you're working on. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. And then I had a second chain from the hook. So let's just go back to the pattern and look at that. So you can see that there was a chain going up. So it says it's second chain from the hook. You're going to start there and then single crochet yourself back. There's something weird going on, which we'll cover in the next tutorial. So you just, whenever you see the chain going vertically like that, it just means that you're going second chain from the hook. And if it's on an edge, just for example, it's just chain 1 and then start whatever instruction that it is. So looking at your stitch work, first one, go to the second, get the back hump of the chain because it will look nicer, and just single crochet yourself all the way across to whatever instruction that it would be. So when we're going to get it all the way over on this one for this letter, there's something that's unique in the end, and it's not in every one, and I'll demonstrate that in the next tutorial. So I'm coming all the way to the end. So if I was just going straight up and not having to do anything, it would just be chain 1 and then single crochet back and forth, and you can do what you need to do. In this particular one, number C, there's something weird that happens at the end of this one. Let me show you what that looks like, because you'll be watching out for that in certain letters that have more of a curvature to it.